We are installing a safe room at one of our houses today. Nice little 4x6 tornado shelter slash safe room, courtesy of Tornado or My Safe Place Tornado Shelters. Being that it's a little wet outside, our excavator was nice enough to assist us with using his Bobcat to get it installed in place. I will show you the location and the obstacle of the hill that we have to go up in just a second. And this is the hill we have to go up, nice and slick. No match for the Bobcat. Nice and slow. And we have made it on the slide. What makes the safe room safe is that there are anchor bolts that go into each one of these holes all around the safe room into the concrete slab. And then we'll wall up around it to make it a part of your home.